that idea of tapping into something that's in the psyche, and then it'll resonate with people. So I love this. If you can do all these things in your story, you're on your way. And it's all on one single piece of paper. So it always starts with the backstory. Let's well, we can do it. Let's take our epileptic character. What's the backstory? Is his family? They're poor people. Tell me about the family.
No, they're well educated, middle class.
Okay.
Father's a physician, so he knows what's going on. Kid has seizures, uncontrolled, and year by year it's getting worse.
Year by year getting worse. We meet our hero. It's building this kid. What is his, if he has one want, he just wants to be, obviously he wants to be healthy, but give me an emotional thing. Is he not popular? And a lot of it is just to being liked by the other kids. He's always been kind of a weirdo and an outsider.
He's outsider.
Okay.
And he's always having seizures, so he's this scary, freaky kid.
Good. And so the stakes are, if he can't control the seizures, he could die, life and death, right? Okay, the disruption is the surgery. Suddenly we're going to take a risk, and instead of it does heal him, but suddenly he starts seeing that he can do things most people can't do, right? So when you talk about his superpowers, he's not flying through the air like Superman, but is it telepathic? What are the little things that start happening?
He kind of sees things before they happen.
Oh, okay. It's a little bit of the prophet, future sight. That's fantastic. Antagonisms. Obviously, the disease itself is an antagonist, but we want to embody that movement against him in others. So is there a bully who's always been picking on him? What do we got going on making his life difficult?
I was kind of going with the parents, the conflict between the parents. The dad is a surgeon, and he's like, let's just do the surgery. And the mom is like, no, we can't do some crazy surgery. What if he dies? So they're having their own conflict about, do we try to control this? Is he better off dead? How is he going to grow up as, having these seizures? We can't control it. Meds aren't working. Nothing's working.
The preceding clip was from Screenwriting for Physicians by Seek Inc. Seek specializes in helping physicians find and locate non-clinical careers, and also in helping physicians learn how to supplement their income with lucrative home-based work. Ways to supplement your income include medical expert witnessing, disability and utilization reviews, independent medical examinations, writing, including screenwriting, inventing, consulting, and life care planning.